Shut up and sit down.
Well, I've come in this morning to do the wet sanding and blend everything in before I do any polishing. And I'm just looking for any imperfections and any runs. That's had one buffing back with the polishing mop, and I'm going to finish it off now with some a little bit more finer T-cut. This is the finish I've got in the end. It is not perfect, but the car's 22 years old and I can see where I've put the new paint on. I can see imperfections in it. It just looks like a 22-year-old paint job, which is what I was aiming for. I wasn't aiming for perfection. I'm going to cut it back a bit further now with some finer cutting compound, and then I think I'm going to leave it at that, because there's nothing there that draws your eye to it. You've got to look carefully for the imperfections. I can see a little dent there, just a little one I've missed, but all in all that wheel arch has come out really nice. I'm going to leave that repair as it is. Now I'm happy with it. If you've got to look at it really closely to see the paint blend, but I mean, I'm stood away about 2 foot and you can't see it. I've just covered it in aqua wax, in the Autoglim aqua wax, and I'm just going to rub that in and wax everything I've cut, and I've cut from about here all the way down, so, and I've cut all this corner, so I'm going to give it a good polish now and walk away and leave it, and just, it's what it is. It looks a lot better than the rust. I'll polish that wax off once it's gone dry and buffed, and I'll buff it out. I've applied a good layer of wax now to everything we've cut back, and I've steadily been going down in cutting compounds. Now it's time just to seal it. So the wax has been on and it's hazed off nicely now, so it's time to buff all the wax out with the microfiber.
Right, my wallet. Matthew.
That has cut back really, really nice. Problem is now I'm going to have to do the whole car. Yes, I am. Because that's come up like glass. That one's all cut in as well. I think I need it outside to do the rest. But I'm really, really happy with that repair. You can't even see where the rust was. None of this process is as a professional body shop would do it. They're probably rolling around in their graves now going, you're not doing it right, you're not doing it right. But I've got what I want out of it, and I've done it myself. Hey, thanks for watching.